Welcome to TechX lovers, future inventions that are just plain cool. The Space Rider animation. Space Rider is a reusable robotic spaceplane developed by the European Space Agency. It is designed to carry payloads into orbit, conduct experiments in microgravity, and return to Earth with this payload. The Space Rider is about the size of 2 minivans and can carry up to 600 kg of payload. It will be launched on a Vegas rocket for Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. Once in orbit, Space Rider will stay for up to 2 months conducting experiments in its cargo bay. The experiments can include technology demonstrations, pharmaceutical research, and life science research. At the end of its mission, Space Rider will deorbit and land on a runway like an aircraft. The Space Rider is expected to make its first flight in 2024, so it will be valuable assist for European space explorations and research, and it could be also for the commercial purposes. DJI Avata. DJI Avata is a small, lightweight FPV drone that is designed for beginners and experienced pilots alike. It features a 1.17-inch Cosmos and CMOS sensor for ultra-wide-angle recording and a built-in propeller guard. A weight of weighs just 249 grams and is also small to fit in the palm of your hand. This makes it easy to carry and transport. The propeller guard protects the drone from damage in the event of a crash, so this makes it a good choice for beginners who are still learning how to fly. IBM's 3D chip staking. IBM's 3D chip staking technology is a new way to build chips that could revolutionize the electronic industry. Electronic industries basically were the million. By staking chips vertically, IBM can create chips that are more fast and powerful, more efficient, and smaller than other projects. And ever before, the technology works by stacking multiple layers of silicon chips on top of each other. Each layer is connected to the other using tiny wires called through-silicon wires. These wires are so small that can be barely seen with the naked eye, but they are strong enough to carry the high currents required by modern chip. Floating habitat concept captures. The Carbon Capture Refuge X is a floating habitat concept designed by Blasky. It is a sustainable living infrastructure that filters carbon out of the atmosphere. The habitat is made up of 3 main parts: a central core, a hollow, and a series of pods. Central core houses the habitate's life support systems such as air and water purification system. The hollow is a ring-shaped structure that surrounds the central core. It provides space for living, working, and recreation. The pods are attached to the hollow and provide additional space for living and working. The Carbon Capture Refuge X is designed to be self-sufficient, so it uses solar and wind power to generate electricity. It also has a rainwater harvesting system as a system for a growing food. The Carbon Capture Refuge X is a futuristic concept, but it is based on existing technology. Blasky believes that the habitats could be built in next 10 years approved. Aiper Seagull Pool Robot. The Aiper Seagull Pool Robot is a robotic pool cleaner that uses smart navigation technology to clean your pool automatically. It has a quiet motor system that provides powerful suction as a long run time of up to 180 minutes. The Seagull Pool Robot can clean the floor, walls, and waterline of your pool, and it can ever climb walls. The Seagull Pool Robot is easy to use. Simply place it into your pool and it will start cleaning automatically. The robot will navigate your pool using the navigation systems, and it will use a quiet motor system to clean the floor, walls, and waterline. The Seagull Pool Robot is also easy to maintain. The filter tray is easy to clean, and the robot has a self-perking feature that make it easy to remove from the pool. Spherical Tires Futuristic Car. The Spherical Tires are a new type of tire that could revolutionize the way we think about transportations. Spherical tires are made up of a single piece of rubber that is inflated with air, so they have no tread and they are much smaller than traditional tires. Spherical tires have a number of advantages over traditional tires. First, they are much more efficient. Spherical tires have a lower rolling resistance, which means that they require less energy to move, so this could lead to significant fuel savings for cars and other vehicles. Second, spherical tires are much more durable than traditional tires. So spherical tires are made up of a single piece of rubber, which means that what we're saying is less likely to puncture or flat go with. So this could lead to the significant reductions in maintenance costs for vehicles. Bugatti W16 Engine. The Bugatti W16 engine is a quad turbocharged and an 8.0-liter 16-cylinder engine that is used in Bugatti Veyron and Chiron supercars. So it is one of the most powerful and complex engines ever produced, and it has helped Bugatti to establish itself as one of the leading manufacturers of hypercars. The W16 engine is based on two narrow-angel VR8 engines that are mated at a 90-degree angle. The engine is equipped with the other four turbochargers, which helps it to produce an incredible 1,500 horsepower and 1,800 lb-ft of torque. Skoda Vision 7S. The Skoda Vision 7S is a fully electric 7-seat SUV concept car that was unveiled by Skoda Auto in August 2023. It is the first kind of future Skoda new design language, which is characterized by a more minimalist and modern look. The Vision 7S is based on the Volkswagen Group MEB electric platform and has a range of over 600 kilometers, so it is powered by two electric motors, one on each axle that produce a combined output of 523 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Vestas V236. The Vestas V236 15.0 is the world's largest and most powerful wind turbine with a swept area of 43,742 m2 and a rotor diameter of 236 meters. It is capable of generating up to 15 MW of electricity, enough to power more than 15,000 homes. The V236 is designed for offshore wind farms where wind speeds are high and more consistent. It is also equipped with a number of innovative features such as a new blade design that reduces noises and improves efficiency, and a new nacelle design that reduces weight and make it easier to reinstall. Davinci DC100 Rolls. The Davinci DC100 Rolls is a high-performance electric motorcycle that is designed to rival traditional 1000cc motorcycles. It is powered by a single electric motor that produces an equivalent of 137 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. The DC100 Rolls has a top speed of 200 km/h and a range of 400 km on a single charge. The DC100 Rolls is equipped with a number of high-end components including Inventions Brembo brakes and Spherical Tires. It features a number of innovative technologies such as a self-healing system and a built-in GPS tracker. The DC100 Rolls is a unique and impressive electric motorcycle, so it is one of the most beautiful and fastest electric motorcycles on the market, and it is also one of the most technology advanced. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe TechX Lover.